Good morning, it's Mark Liebovit, and it's Monday, December 14th, and this is a Liebovit VR tutorial here on Metastock. We're looking at the Mark Liebovit Volume Reversal Toolkit, which incorporates the sequential, directional, and 2-day version of the volume reversal, all included in the package. Check with Metastock and the video that we posted describing them in more detail. I use the sequential on these videos because it posts all positive and negative volume reversals. We're looking at U.S. Oil, United States Oil Fund, and this is a monthly chart. I do get questions about different time frames. So on the monthly chart, you can see that the break in crude oil was no big surprise, but the big signal came in July of 2014 and confirmed by a declining 533 stochastic. As you know from my previous videos, I like to use the 533 as a more or less confirming indicator. So nothing positive here. 533 still in the downtrend. Obviously, we like to see it starting to turn up. We like to see a positive volume reversal form. Again, that's a monthly chart. Let's focus in on the weekly. Here in recent weeks, the most recent negative volume reversal was on November 13th. 533 still clearly in the downtrend. No sign of the bottom yet. Obviously, there could be a positive one like we saw way back here. Let's see, this was, what date is this? This is back on September 4th. Really no great advance, so we did have the positive VR, so there might have been a little bit of a trade in there somewhere, but nothing spectacular, and certainly you would have reversed or gone short when the negative VR came in. A little trade way back here, looking at this is March 13, 2015, for about a week or so with a declining 533 stochastic. But the big play, of course, has been the bigger picture view, looking at that monthly chart that I just showed you. And the daily chart, well, we have little volume reversals along the way that give you little trades. We had a positive VR here back on November 20th for a couple of days up. Then you had, of course, had a rising stochastic, and then you had a negative VR confirmed a day or so later with a 533, and that caught the recent decline. So until we get a positive VR and a rising stochastic, I have no reason to be on the long side here. I wouldn't be chasing it to the short side, that's for sure. I like to see it rally a bit, but this just gives you a perspective of what's really going on in U.S. oil. So we're going to wait for that reversal. Probably end of the year tax loss selling going on. There probably will be an opportunity here, so we're watching the market closely. As a reminder, I do host the Wall Street Raw radio show Saturday mornings, 10 a.m. Eastern on the Genesis Communication Network. That's gcnlive.com. If you missed the show, it is archived, so check in if you can. More information on my services. I do produce a Liebovit VR newsletters. You can reach that using the URL vrtrader.com and check out all the newsletters that we do offer. So I appreciate you checking in, and we're going to probably take a little bit of a break here with the holidays coming up, but we'll catch up with you probably after the first of the year. Thank you very much.